What's going on? It's facts you don't know. If it's your first time here and you want to find out new facts that will definitely make you smarter and more well informed, make sure to subscribe and activate the notifications bell so you don't miss anything.
Pets play an important role in the lives of children, especially in the early years. Dogs are close-ups of children and show interest and care for them. But for a stray dog to take care of a young child on the street and save him from certain death, it's a bit strange here. This fascinating story took place in the southern Russian province of Aktivsk in 2017. The story surprised everyone who saw it. Watch with us what happened with them. It all started on November 17, 2017, when one of the men was returning home from his workplace. The snow was heavy and the cold was severe, as the temperature was around -20 degrees Celsius. When the man was passing through the street, he noticed a dog wrapped around himself and the snow falling on him. The man initially thought she was the mother of small dogs trying to protect them from the cold weather, which made him dismiss them and decided to continue his way home. But when he moved away from that dog, he heard a strange sound emanating from the place where she was lying, which made him surprised and decided to return to that dog to make sure that he was hiding under his body. That man was surprised to find out who was covered by the dog. There was a newborn baby who was in a very bad condition, trembling with the severity of the cold, and without the intervention of that dog, he would have lost his life a while ago. The man carried the little boy in his hands and then wrapped him in his coat and contacted the police directly and told them what he had found. A few minutes later, the police car arrived at the scene with the ambulance. When the doctors carried him and took him to the ambulance, they examined him thoroughly and confirmed that he had cold sores in his hands. But his condition would have been much worse had the dog not intervened. At -20 degrees Celsius, no one, no matter how, can live outdoors without warm clothes. Otherwise, it will freeze in a few minutes. But that dog replaces those warm clothes and saved the child from freezing. After the city police opened an investigation into the circumstances of the case and how that young man arrived at that place in such harsh conditions, she was able to find his mother 3 days later, where the woman admitted that the child is her son. The mother was said to be too busy to leave her baby with his nanny while she was outside the house, but the incubator was an alcoholic, and on one occasion she was drunk and carried the boy and took him away from the house and then threw him down the street. When she heard of her son's disappearance, she quickly returned from work, but found neither her son nor the nanny, which disappeared from view. According to the testimony, some of the neighbors who saw the nanny carry the child and get him out of the house late at night, the boy stayed for 5 full hours in the street at temperatures up to -20 degrees Celsius. Well, some say that he stayed there for 2 full days, which is what makes this story really fantastic. Some of the neighbors who saw the dog wrapped in the child also said that without the dog, the young man would not have survived. The nanny was arrested and referred to the court, where she was charged with willful negligence and endangering a young child, after the court heard some witnesses. Finally, the nanny confessed to what she'd done, giving the court a sentence of 3.5 years in prison. After the boy recovered, his mother took him home and she decided not to leave him alone again. She then decided to adopt a dog that saved her son. She kept it at home and made him a close friend of her son. He took care of him a lot. The dog covered the gag caused by this fermented nanny when it enters in time and covered the young so as not to freeze from the severity of cold, although he suffered a lot under the harsh atmosphere while doing his job. This is an indication that the dog is an animal and in the human being and provides him with help whenever he needs it. Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video in social networks. We'll be right back to you as fast as we can.